Hello, Leslie here with my Erin Condre seasonal surprise box unboxing, the fall one, if you can't tell by the pumpkins. I was actually able to take my entire shipping label off and the little piece of tape. There is a little bit of sticky residue, so I need to take that off. But I love the outside of this box so much, you guys. Oh, I just love fall. It is my favorite season. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to turn it a little bit so I can open it without hitting the camera. Okay, here's the first glances of the inside of the box. I didn't unwrap it yet. So there's a little card and it says the secret ingredient is love. And then they went ahead and put that on the inside top lid of the box. You guys can see that. It is a little rose gold foiled. So the idea is that you flip your box inside out and then you can either reuse it as like a gift box or you can put it on display. I put a lot of these on display actually in my classroom, but I really like the pumpkin, so I'm probably just going to keep that side. I know, I'm such a rebel. Okay, let's go ahead and get started and unbox this puppy. Okay, so this is the informational card for the most part. So I'm going to be using the inside as my guide. But the instructions here say, well, info says, the fall seasonal surprise box was designed to help you celebrate and commemorate the true magic of the holiday season. There's bubble wrap. Hold on. The holiday season, after a tumultuous year where you may have missed out on in-person celebrations, this box was curated to help you stay organized, create new traditions, and cherish the special time. Okay, so first up, I have this sticker sheet, which I want to unbox because I want to see the foil without the shine. So it's rose gold foiled. So gorgeous. And it has the pumpkins from the outside of the box. And it says, mindful, grateful, thankful, blessed. Loved, mindful, grateful, thankful, blessed. Love. And then it has these little fall flowers. And I don't think they're leaves. They're just fall flowers and pumpkins. And it's all rose gold. This feels like that fabricy texture kind of sticker. I don't know what you want to call it. Yeah, it is. It's like a thick, transparent sticker. I like that. Okay, so it said there's this sticker sheet and then there's another sticker sheet. And there's always stickers when you get this box. They also have a sticker subscription kit, which I've never gotten before. It doesn't seem like my style, but who knows? I like to mix it up. Okay, here's this one. And it feels different. Says, enjoy the moment, so much fun, joy and cheer. Love this. And then you have some leaves right here that looks Christmassy, and then that looks Christmassy, and then you have some leaves here. There's some checklists, some more quarter boxes, some more of those half circles, and then some little diamond dots. These are gold foiled, so rose gold and gold. So this one, it says it's number 7 on here. It's exclusive to the box, and it's valued at $5.50 for the seasonal sticker sheet duo. So there's that. Item number 1, which is actually number 7, because I don't go in order. I go in what's in order in the box and what I see first. Next up, we have the Holiday Petite Planner. So adorable. Love the foiling. So this one, it did talk about this a little bit. It says, the holidays are wonderful, but they can also be incredibly hectic. Do you feel that way? Here, let me rip this open. Let me rip this open so we can see inside. Oh my goodness, it's so noisy. So sorry. True unboxing. True unboxing. Okay, it says it's so hectic. This planner is here to help you keep track of typical seasonal stressors so you can get it done and then have your holiday fun. So cute. Okay, so it's like I want to say like a dark charcoal with some gold foiling with all the leaves. It does have Christmas vibes to it, I think. I'm feeling Christmassy just looking at it. Oh, that's fun. It's like a transparent-y looking inside cover. And then it says, Petite Holiday Planner, get it done to have some fun. And you can put your name in there. And then it has that, I'm going to say, winter foliage. Okay, it says how to use it. Oh, good. I wouldn't know how to use it. Okay, I think we'll figure it out. Let's go. So it says checking in what I'm looking forward to most this season. Lots of journaling, it looks like. And then it's got a monthly calendar. I wonder how many months are in here. This month's to-dos and priorities. Ways I can take care of myself. Ways I can ask for help this month. Ooh, that's interesting. All right, this month's family traditions. You could put like a picture if you wanted. That would be fun. And then this month's decor. Are you listing it or are you going to snap a picture and put it in here? I say either way. You do you. Holiday gathering meal plan, shopping list, looking back about memories. So journaling. And then here's another month. So we're 2 months in. Okay, 2 months in. I'm going to flip through because I think those are probably the same. Okay, I just saw another monthly. So that's 3 months. I saw it. 3 months. And then some more journaling. And then my cat has found the envelope that this goes in. Okay, holiday card list. Sent and received, if you track that. Amount of cards needed, mail by, budgeting your holiday cards. We send out a few holiday cards. Not this many. Not that many. Holiday gift list. There's family and friends, and then you have your own categories maybe for like your workmates or coworkers. What do you guys say? You say workmates or coworkers? There's a bunch of different ones in total spent for budgeting. Holiday gift planner. So all these are for gifting. And then there's group gift tracker. So if you're giving out group gifts, that's fun. Gifts to order. Make sure you order in time. And then you can say whether it's sent or not by the deadline. Okay. This seems very universal, but I feel like there's also sheets that a lot of people wouldn't use. Holiday baking tracker is what's next. You can list your holiday treat, what it's for, some notes about it, quantity, and then what day you need it by. And then there's a little done circle for you. We did a Christmas cookie exchange at work once, and that was pretty fun. There's some grid dot for you in case you need to map out your seating chart for your table. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Maybe you do. And then the back here, it says enjoy and savor every moment. And then it says let's get social. And then there's a little pocket, like maybe some receipts or something. That's pretty fun. I like it. I might use it. Use part of it. Use some pages of it. I feel like it doesn't fully apply to me. This is number 6, which is valued at $14. And it is exclusive to this box. So that's always nice. I like exclusive items. It makes it worth ordering it on time. Okay, it says it's a tea towel. Everything is so individually wrapped. Oh my goodness. I like tea towels. I think they're cute. It has that like grapey purple, I want to say mauve, but kind of. Says the secret ingredient is love. So that's their definite theme. We've been seeing a lot of that. Okay, let's take a look at this tea towel. Do you guys drink a lot of tea? Oh my goodness, this is a full-on tea towel, you guys. Ooh, this is big. This is folded over in half. That is big. That's a big tea towel. Okay, this one says, it says it's 21 inches by 28 inches. That's a big towel. Okay, this one is the number 1 item in this box, and it is valued at $12, and it is exclusive to the box. I like tea towels. We use them. Put tortillas in them. I don't know. Okay, so there's that one. All right, next up, the next thing I see is a marker duo set. Ooh, I like that paper right there. That's cute. Okay, let's get these out. So these are markers. I've never seen them have markers that look like this before. It just says Erin Condre, and it's not really giving me colors, but I see the 2 colors. Let's see. This one says number 2. You get raspberry. That's what they're calling this. And vanilla, and it says they are metallic marker duo. This is a sneak peek, so this is going to be coming to the shop. So maybe they are changing out their marker pens. Oh, that would be different. So this is valued at $5.50. So we will doodle on something eventually, but not just yet. Let's take a look at the tips though. Yeah, that looks pretty metallic-y. It kind of does. These might be cute to write your address or the person's name in the Christmas card. I don't know. Do you see pink as like a Christmas color? I guess you could. Okay, next up we have, grabbing this one. It looks like a planner cover. It is a planner cover. I'm not going to rip this one out. I think you can tell what it is. So it looks kind of gray, and then it's got rose gold flowers on it. And they're calling this one's number 4 in the box, and they're calling them a metallic rose gold garden cover, and this one's exclusive, and it's a $13 value. I do like the exclusive covers. The one that has the summer with the beach scene, I definitely put that on my planner, so I'll probably end up using it. I will. Might add my name in a vinyl sticker. Yeah, probably. So the back and the front are the same. That's one of the reasons I would want to add my name so that I would know what side is the front. Okay, we're going to put that under there so it's not so shiny. Under there. All right, next up, I'm going to grab this little thing. This little thing. It says rose gold metal asterisk pen holder clip. This thing reminds me of those like old watches that used to pinch your arm hair. You guys remember those? I think my mom had them. Okay, taking that off. All right, so you clip this onto your planner. That was pretty stuck on there. And you have a little asterisk there. And then this, it is kind of like that. It's like a accordion stretchy do thing. So let's stick a pen in there. Okay, it fits the markers they sent us. So then you clip that part into your planner. And it's going to look like this and sit on the outside of your planner, I guess. So it's not going to sit like this. It's going to sit and lay like this once you clip it on there. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, that one is number 3 item in the box, and it is a sneak peek. So this is going to come to the shop. I'm guessing they'll release it in silver and gold too. And this one is valued at $5.50. All right, next up, what I see is cupcake. These are cupcake holders. It's really stuck, so I'm not going to open it. I'm not sure how many are in here. I would hope for 6 to a dozen. I don't know. It's that grapey purple color with the Erin Condre circles on it. And then it looks like this is part of something else. So I need to get the next thing out. But wait, there's more. Okay, so this is a box. It says Cupcake Gifting Set. Includes 2 boxes, 12 cupcake liners. So there's 12. That was a good guess. 2 trays holds up to 6 cupcakes per tray. So you can give away 6 cupcakes in each of these boxes. And it looks like a little window box. Oh, look how cute. Oh, there's the cupcake trays to make sure they don't fall over in your box. And then there's little stickers to seal your box that say, enjoy, and it's gold foiled. That is so fun. But I will say, maybe you're a planner. That doesn't mean you're a baker. So, but it is supposed to be like holiday themed. And a lot of people bake around the holidays. It was funny because they made a joke that they're like, we won't tell if you put store-bought cupcakes in here. Which I thought was kind of funny. I have gotten into making my own cupcakes though. I think you guys saw in my Insta stories, I figured out how to make my own vanilla cake and buttercream frosting. So I will probably make some cupcakes. What is this? Did they send me an iPad? No, I'm just kidding. Totally kidding. They would never. Okay, this should be our last item. But clearly I have to open it because it's not an iPad. Okay. Feels like leather, but I don't think it's leather. I'm guessing it's like a faux leather. All right, let's see. It's a rose gold. So it says Erin Condre on that side. Ooh, I'm upside down. I'm upside down. All right, so there's all weekly lines, and then there's like a checklist, and it's perforated right here for you to like tear this off. Okay, let's read more. So this one says it's number 8. It's a notepad with stand-up holder. It's a sneak peek item, and it is valued at $24. So this is the highest cost product in here. It says a stunning notepad, which includes refillable pads, so you're barely going to be able to buy more of these. Works perfectly displayed on your desk for weekly planning or a countertop for meal planning. Tear off the perforated sheet to track to-dos or your to-buys on the go. So you can kind of like fill it out, write your to-dos or your grocery list, and then rip that out and take it with you, leaving this behind. That's interesting. So you have to fold this. Oh, goodness gracious. I need instructions. You can't just say fold it. Oh, this way? Am I doing this right? Ooh, yay, I got it. Okay, so it kind of like folds up like a triangle, like that. Okay, I got it. That works. Definitely not an iPad. But I really like this. That's handy. Most of the time they give you just like a desk mouse pad, like a notebook. So that's handy. And then if you're on the go, you can close it up so you don't get it all gross or dented. You look all professional with your faux leather rose gold notebook cover. I like it. That's snazzy. Okay, so as far as planner related go, there's a lot of planner related items, but then these 3 things are not really planner related. So I will say that if you were looking for a just planner related box, then that might be disappointing to you. But I'm not disappointed. I think this is a fun variety box. I like items that are not a one-time use thing. So, and I feel like there's quite a few of those outside of this. I mean, eventually you use up the inside and that. So I see some items I might use. So let me know if you ordered the box. I would love to know, and leave your comments in the comment section. I said I was going to write something, and I never did. I never did. So I'm gonna take this back out and write something. We'll use this, I guess. I don't know why I'm not using the planner, but I'm not. Okay. They said that this could be for to-dos or to buy. So we'll write to do. Ooh. Ooh, pretty. I like it. You don't have to push too hard. That's for sure. Good pigmentation. That is the pink one. What's the pink one called? Raspberry. Okay, and so there's my to-dos, and then we'll put to buys down here. To buy, which they've definitely given me a silver Erin Condre. It was one of those clickable marker pens. So this looks a little bit finer, but yeah, so there's the silver one that they called vanilla, sorry. Vanilla and raspberry. So there's your pen test completed. Almost forgot. Goodness sakes. They are kind of shiny, I will say that. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.